Joe, did you know that you got some mail today? Do you remember who was sending you a package? Yeah.
Come back here.
Mommy, but what is it?
It's right over
They
here.
all give this to you.
Whoa, no. Sylvie Pop.
Mommy, how we open it?
And then it says, okay, it says Joseph Brees. That's you.
And with those.
That's our address, Maplewood.
There's a knife back up.
Come behind
They just your knife. They
Yeah.
just a new knife. I opened it by myself. This is my package.
What is that, Joe?
A toolbox.
Bring it over here. Let's have a look.
You can slide. It's you can slide.
What does it say on it right there? Look at
It says Toolbox.
that. It also says Joe.
Yeah.
Can you hold her?
It's open it.
Let's do it.
Tools.
Whoa.
And what's this?
I think you know.
A flashlight.
Yeah, honey, hold her.
Yeah, but why does it work? And trials. I have I have a big one and a new one.
That is electrical tape and Teflon tape. Teflon tape is what plumbers use.
Yeah.
Do you want to be a plumber?
Yeah, I do. These are my own display.
Those are your own pliers. Hey,
You have some of these.
I do. Can you say thank you, Grandpa?
Thank you, Grandpa.
Look, he's right in here. Say thank you, Grandpa.
Thank you, Grandpa.
Yeah. Sub him.
Where's the Grandpa?
You don't see him?
No,
He's in there.
right here.
He's not really in there, but he's looking at you right now when he's watching this video.
I got this.
What is it?
A tape measure.
Yeah. What else?
This.
Do you remember what I called that? A tire pressure gauge.
A tape measure. Then I can touch that ball.
You shouldn't pull it out
Right here.
because they're kind of calibrated. I'll show you how to use it. We'll take it outside.
Let's do it now.
Right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
We all go do this to your van.
Yep.
This is for your wheels. These are for those wheels.
Yep. Here, do you want to try this first? Try this part.
Okay.
Put that right on there.
I did.
You did it? What did it read?
To put hold and play things.
2.100 and funny things. All right.
That's how I do this.
Other way.
This way.
Yep. There you go.
Cool, Joe.
This is I can take it.
It's just for you, right?
Yeah. And
What's inside?
wow. Hey, I'm going to do this part.
You're gonna put the batteries back in?
Yeah. Then I am doing the puppies fast. I put all it together. Then I can take It's Bowie.
Yep.